Welcome back. Next command is cat space slash etc slash os hyphen release. This command is used to check the Raspbian operating system's version. So in this Raspberry Pi, we are using version 10 of Raspbian operating system. Version 10 is called as Buster operating system. Buster is the latest operating system version of Raspbian operating system. Other versions available are VC, Jessie. Next command is ps space minus capital A. This command is used to check the process IDs of various processes running at Raspberry Pi. For example, I am using Chromium browser. It has process ID of 2560. If you want to close that Chromium browser using this process ID, you can give command as kill space particular process ID. In this case, it is 2560. See here, there was Chromium browser in this place. Now it was closed. Next command is uname space minus a. This command is used to check the kernel version of Raspbian operating system. Kernel is the base of any operating system. It is bunch of device drivers. In our Raspbian operating system, the kernel version is 4.19.97 version 7 plus. It is the kernel version of our operating system. Next command is df space minus h. This command is used to check how much free space is available in our SD card. So in our SD card we have used 6 GB space and 20 GB space is available for use. Next command is du space minus h. This command is used to check what are the files or directories available in particular directory and what are the spaces these files and directories have taken. For example, this test directory has dot file. It occupies 12 KB space. If you want to check again, in desktop, I am going to issue command du space minus h. Here, three directories are there: dest slash test and dest and test. These directories have occupied 8 KB, 12 KB and 12 KB. Next command is free space minus m. It is a command used to check the RAM size of Raspberry Pi. So our random access memory RAM has total capacity of 926 MB. We have used 154 MB currently and available RAM size is 700 MB. So approximately it is 1 GB RAM. Next command is cat space slash proc slash cpu info. This command gives the details of the CPU. We have used ARM version 7 processor. It is having 4 cores, first core, second core, third core and fourth core. It gives all details of the 4 cores and model name and CPU architecture. Everything will be shown by issuing this command cat space slash proc slash cpu info. We have completed almost all required Linux commands to operate on Raspberry Pi. So I hope you people got idea about using Linux commands on Raspberry Pi. Thank you.